Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Okay, let me introduce myself. I am Liani and my partner is Zahra, Taufik, and April. Okay, the first slide will explain from Taufik.
Let in corporate social responsibility. Let in which of the few expressed in the illustration do you agree with? Answer 7. A company has responsibility to its suppliers, its customer, its employees, the local community and society in general, as well as to its shareholder. Reading Profit and Social Responsibility. Number 1. Four of the few expressed in the illustration on the previous page are referred to in the following text. Which are they? Answer. In article number 7, led to paragraph 7. According to this approach, business managers have responsibilities to all the group of people with a stake in or an interest in or a claim on the firm. This will include employees, suppliers, customers, and the local community, as well as the stockholders.
Second slide will explain from Zahra.
I will read the result of our discussion about comprehension. Number 1. According to Friedman, why should business executives only seek to maximize profit? Because by making a profit, the company can maintain the growth of the company so that it can compete with other companies. Therefore, the profit can be reinvested and used to maintain or increase the company's growth in the future. Number 2. What are the employers of corporate executive? From the text above, it can be concluded that the employer of a company executive is an entrepreneur who is the owner or leader of the company itself. It was negative. Why do society responsibility actions affect stakeholders, customers, and employers? By ignoring environmental regulation to increase profitability and not increasing labor policy and conducting a violence. Third. Number 4. According to Feynman, in what way are socially responsibility action by business undemocratic? Social responsibility by business is undemocratic in terms of pursuit of profit and personal interest. Ambition to pursue profit for oneself, indicating greed, can lead to ethical problems. Companies are sometimes like employers whose personal values are not worth it. The workers this will place its interest in obtaining wealth above other interests, even though in carrying out the accumulation of wealth it is the expense of other workers, companies, and society. Number 5. According to the text, what other desires my stakeholders have apart from making as much money as possible? Yet from seeking profit, there are other wishes of the stakeholders, namely responsibility for providing employment, eliminating discrimination, avoiding pollution. Next, to develop assets because the capital the deposit will be managed by the company so that it is possible to continue to grow. Prepare funds for specific purpose in the future. Next, looking for long-term income. Next, business development capital. Number 6, what is a stakeholder? Stakeholders, or commonly referred to as stakeholders, are parties who have an interest in the company and can influence or be influenced by the business. The main stakeholders in a typical company are its investors, employers, customers, and suppliers.
The next slide will explain with APRI.
Corporate social responsibility vocabulary. 1. When words in the text that mean the following. 2. Match up the verbs announced below to make word combination from the text. Number 1. Treating some people in a worse way than you treat other people. Answer. Conduct discrimination. 2. Making something weaker. Answer. Undermine rules. 3. An economic system in which union can raise capital, form a business and offer goods or services. Answer. Profit employment. 4. Complying with or following rules as. Answer. Eliminates pollution. 5. Expression give a material form. Answer. Increase money. 6. According to generally accepted beliefs based on morals. Answer. Conform to the basis. 7. Usual way of being. Answer. Avoid expenditures. 8. To the depth or extent. Answer. Makes profits. 9. Cause damage to. Answer. Make pollution. 10. Supporters people who agree in favor of something. Answer. Conduct business.
The next slide will explain with APRI.
Discussion 1. How far do you agree? 1. That doing anything other than maximizing profit is unbusinesslike. Answer. The most important thing to make a profit is to do business. According to Hawks and Kepler, the definition of business is the activity of individuals to produce and sell goods and services to benefit from meeting the needs of society. In addition to making a profit, doing business can be beneficial to life. For example, get hours and recognition. Be the boss to yours. Pay for it yours. Can manage team freely. Have a great future. Our opinion on the advantage of doing business is to decide. Number 2. Their stockholders or shareholders generally wish to make as much money as possible. Notice the generally. Answer. The difference between shareholder and stockholder, namely, shareholder is a party that owns financial share in the company. That is, some of the company's ownership is owned by shareholders. Stockholders are people who own shares in a company and a share of the company profits and the risk to vote opinion on the way the company is controlled. We agree because in general shareholders want to make as much money as possible. Number 3. that corporate social expenditure simply means spending someone else's money. Answer. Corporate social spending means spending a company interest with cash to create the well-being of the company itself. We choose to agree with the cost of its example or can also enjoy the facilities provided by the company.
Number 4. That solving social problems is uniquely the job of the democratic elected government. Answer. The government is responsible for solving democratic elected social problems because the role of government in solving social problems is very important as follows. 1. Create jobs that are able to absorb a lot of labor so as to reduce unemployment. 2. Provide subsidies to basic human needs. 3. Eliminates corruption because corruption is one of the causes of community service not running as they should. 4. Reduce the risk for gap. We choose to agree if the government is cost careless, then it will most likely not be able to reduce some problems, and it will cause destruction for a country lead. Number 5. That's a company or stakeholder are much less important than the stockholders. Answer. We agree today many companies consider input from various stakeholders who will be affected by their action before they make a final decision. Corporate social responsibility demands that the company consider the interests of shareholders and other stakeholders when making decisions.
And the last will explain with me. Discussion 2. Although the set of notion of social responsibility, Milton Friedman still argued that a business must conform the basic rules of society. Do you think the following activities, several of which are not illegal, conform to the basic rules of society? Number 1. Bribing corrupt foreign officials in order to win for order on the ground that where bribery is a way of life. You have no alternative if you want to win a contract. Number 2. Industrial espionage, spying on competitors, research and development. Department with concealed cameras and microphone, bribing their employees' attention rather than doing your own expensive R&B. Number 4. Telling only how the truth in advertisement or exaggerating a great deal or keeping quiet about the bad aspect of a product. Number 6. Whistleblowing, revealing confidential information to the police or the newspaper, e.g., that a company is breaking healthy and safety regulation and therefore putting people's life in danger. Answer. And number 6 is a statement that is not illegal because this statement describes the whistleblower who wants to inform information about violation of company regulation that could endanger the life of others. Other statements are illegal for committing an act that violates the norm and regulation that's apply. It does not reflect be good behavior for the nation and country. So that's the presentation of our group. Thank you.